without anybody getting hurt or killed, so we were lucky. I ain't scared.
Here it is. Check this out.
So we got a little break in the weather, so we're gonna go for a ride. I decided to use you as clickbait on the next Bogey Backer video to get all the hot little dudes.
Let me, I dropped my wallet.
Yeah.
I've been sleeping.
What's it like eating?
Spot out.
Pretty bird. I love the way you say molded pig.
Yeah.
I did just say I got to lose weight when I got back. I did just say that.
Y'all are gonna absolutely dig the shit out of this, I think.
I think it was Davy Crockett who said Texas is in a constant drought with an occasional flood. He's right. I'm just back from Colorado. We went camping. We didn't ride our motorcycles. It was about a 17-hour drive, it turned out. And the last 4 miles were pretty treacherous. We barely got trucks and trailers in there, and had we not taken them out a day early before the rain started, we'd still be there. We'd be trapped there a week. It was one of the most beautiful places I've ever seen, but when it rains, we barely got out on the side-by-sides without anybody getting hurt or killed, so we were lucky. It's 2:30 in the morning and we're headed on a 15-hour trip to go fly fishing. The river runs through it.
Bunyan bug, stonefly number 2. Thank you, O merciful professor of poetry and travel.
I think that's my ride. We're at like stop number 4. We're in Lubbock, Texas. It's already feeling cooler. Spotted out.
Spotted out a bald eagle.
That's it.
Crikey, we got him.
But anyway, I'm back and brought the cool weather with me. Thank the Lord. Look at that. It's raining. It's cool. Rain, baby, rain. I had to put my rotating seat on because when I took the tour pack off, that seat that came on the bike I just bought is huge. It sits me way up tall and it looks ridiculous without the tour pack. So I don't like that rotating seat on there anyway, but the good news is I've ordered a new seat and new bars and a few other things, so stay tuned for that. When I was gone, I was thinking a lot about we're gonna keep trying to make the channel better, and we need a spot, we need a place. So I was up late last night doing a drawing, and I'm gonna renovate my shop. We'll hear the rain. What do you think, Hank? This is like his favorite thing. He'll be running all day. Bring on the flood, baby. Anyway, I did a drawing. I'm sure it won't turn out exactly like that, but I'm gonna renovate my shop. I'm gonna make about not quite half the shop the new Bogey Backer bar or studio or lounge or something. A place to go and a place to kind of call home for the channel. So here's what it looks like now, and it's a filthy, dusty, dirty disaster. Got bugs, and I mean it's just terrible. So there's the before. So stay tuned for the after. So on our way back from Colorado this week, we stopped for lunch in Espanola, New Mexico. It's northern New Mexico, south of Pagosa Springs. And had a burger, and my brother and I noticed a motorcycle shop. CNC motorcycle shop. So we walked over there, and man, it's a father-son little shop, really cool place. I got me a shirt, and they gave me a cool sticker, but really nice guys. They sounded like a few years ago they moved out of Los Angeles and landed in Espanola, New Mexico. So when you're out riding, if you find yourself in northern New Mexico, go show those guys some love. Really nice guys, very welcoming, and a cool little place. So thanks to them for letting us look around. We got a little break in the weather, so we're gonna go for a ride, have a burger over in Gatesville, Texas, at Junction 36. Let's ride. Howdy.
Howdy.
How are you?
Great. How are you?
I'm good. That's a good idea Jason had.
Yes, it is good.
You don't respond to text, you just show up, I guess.
I called him too.
I did too. Is he gonna be there, or is he not?
The only thing I didn't do was just drive down the driveway and knock on his door. I guess I'm gonna have to start doing that.
Wow.
Say hi.
Hey!
Wow, you're on candid camera. How are you?
You got any star wrenches in your bag? It's not that big a deal. He rolled my handlebars up, and like the clutch and the brake, like I gotta go like this. Yeah. It's fine.
I got some Allen wrenches. Allen wrenches will work most of the time.
No, it's fine. It ain't that big a deal.
And I've got that.
What'd they do to your light?
I don't really know.
Or what was it?
I got on there and I thought, it's a headlight. Hell, it's got a screw at the top. You screw it in, the light goes up. Well, I screwed it until it stopped, which wasn't but a round. And it's still. So I said, I'm not going to jack it. I just take it down there and let them do whatever.
Yeah.
He looked at it and he goes, oh yeah, this is okay.
It won't matter. I got the top loosened up already. See it right there?
Did it move it off?
Yeah, it'll move.
Okay, yeah.
But it's stuck right there.
Okay, oh, you're saying there's a peg in there.
There's a peg in there.
I got you.
So when we break that peg out,
Yeah.
then it'll go
I got new
wherever.
bars coming.
So
Okay.
It's really my first ride with stock bars.
It's beautiful today, boy.
That's fun.
I like that little road.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's pretty good asphalt.
Don't get back.
Alright, Junction 36, Gatesville, Texas.
Yeah, I think in about a week or two. You can take them both.
Get them all? Okay.
Cool place.
I'll be there.
Yeah, and those steamboats went
Went
from New Orleans to Jefferson.
East Texas.
And they had a place where they could turn around. I guess from what I was just kind of glancing, it looked like that river kind of made a big circle up there as it went through town or around town. They turn around and he said, everybody coming from the west going east, that's where they went. They went to Jefferson, got on that river.
Cotton.
Yeah.
I mean, they shipped all kinds of stuff down to Jefferson.
I'd never heard of it.
That's a cool town.
Yeah.
I need to go back over there. A lot of history.
Well, you know, it's a little known fact that that parquet floor is comprised of 240 individual squares held down by 2,860 bolts.
Ah, you're wrong there. It's 2,880 bolts, and I got that from a member of the Bull Gang, the crew that works the floor.
Well, I'm very sorry, Norm, but my source is unimpeachable.
Yeah, who's that?
My ma.
Here you go.
I got some salt and pepper around here.
Yes, I'll go get y'all some.
Thank you.
I want to die.
Fried diet.
All you can eat.
Got something? Thank you. Thank you very much.
We need three. I need three.
Is it 3?
Yeah.
I looked, and I had like 19, and you had 18 or something, but it hadn't been updated.
Yeah.
In a good while.
From the 5 we had there today.
Yeah, so I needed 1 or 2.
Well, I'll follow whoever wants to lead this.
No, you can leave. That was good.
Crazy, my mama say. Don't know why you're treating me this way. I thought by now I wouldn't have to worry about you. Now you're the bogey biker, and I don't know what to do. Crazy, my daddy told me, son, you remember learning right from wrong. Mama's crying in the kitchen, blaming it all on me, while I'm out here humming the bogey biker song. Crazy, my daughter screamed, Daddy, you promised me you wouldn't chase that dream. Now you're riding every day, never thought I'd say that you're the bogey biker, and I guess you're here to stay. Yeah, honey, I'm the bogey biker, and you know I'm here to stay.
Man, what a beautiful day. Such a miserable summer. Texas. It's finally over. It's just perfect. Yeah, I always forget what's gravel and what's not.
Yeah, we went back out to church.
Yeah.
So it's gonna have something called the Crawford Cone, and it'll be all things Crawford Cone, you know. This will be all turf from that post all the way back. That was gonna be the second phase where you have a covered area for live entertainment, ushers, you know. Yes, sir. That's what that. Yeah, I'm gonna have to fence this in so the kids will be. It'll have parking in the front.
Where's the motorcycle parking?
That right there is where every single motorcycle can line up. That's all on site.
Yeah, yeah.
Y'all can be on this side of the asphalt, and then from that stake, well, actually that pole, to that flag over there is pretty much parking on that side. So we're the second place in town, with an exception of the gas station, that has on-site parking. Just tell me some history on it. Oh my God!
It's been here forever.
Walk in the door right here. Yeah. Really? Yeah. Oh yeah, yeah. Well, that's how it ended up turning out. Believe it or not. I don't know. Floor rotted out. Yeah. Yeah. Safe will stay there. That might be a winery area. This is the bar area. Here's all the stools that he just got. Isn't that cool? The TV's back there. This, speakers everywhere. Speakers everywhere. They'll have like a thing where they'll be able to watch, I think, on the stream where they're going for now, you know, like big events, small stage. Eventually, I think they're going to go ahead and pour all, and you see where we pour that concrete pipe.
You know what it kind of looks like? The rattlesnake.
It does. A lot like the rattlesnake bar.
Well, that was Jay Parker at 5B Contract Services. He actually built my house and helped me with my rainwater collection system. I would say in my lifetime, nobody has done more to try to revitalize our little community than Jay. He does a fantastic job. Hard-working guy. And a great family man, too. Good dude. All right, well, thanks for watching. That was a good little ride. Stay tuned. The Bogey Biker Bar and Studio is under construction. See you next time.
Yeah, honey, I'm the Bogey Biker, and you know I'm here to stay.